Hi everybody. This is the implement swing for lead algorithm from lead code, and I'm going to try to solve it. Uh, Return the index of the first occurrence of needle in a stack, or -1 if needle is not part of a stack. Clarifications. What should we return when needle is an empty string? This is a good question to ask during an interview. For the purpose of this problem, we will return 0 when needle is an empty string. This is consistent with C's string and Java's index of. So we have a first example where a stack equals hello and needle equals ll. So it returns 2 um, because the first occurrence of needle character within our a stack string is L at the index of 2. And we have a second example where I returns -1 because our needle is not part of our A stack. So we have a third example where the needle and the A stack is empty strings, so it returns 0. So I think this algorithm is kind of straightforward. So first thing first, I'm gonna grab the length of my A stack and my needle. So and then my A stack, the length. And then for my needle, I'm going to set it also equal to needle dot length. So then next, what I can do, I'm going to check if my needle equals 0. Then I'm going to just return 0. Mm. Now I'm going to check if now if my needle is greater than 0 and my A stack equals 0, then I'm going to return -1. But if both if statement aren't true, so which means I'm gonna jump to this line, and then I'm gonna set a variable that I'm gonna call string index, and I'm gonna use the index of method from JavaScript built in the method. So I'm gonna do a stack the index and index of, and I'm gonna pass it underneath it. So what this line of code is doing is checking to see if the needle is within my A stack. It's going to just return the index of. So then what I can do, I can just use a ternary operator. So I'm going to do something like the string index or the string index equals 0. Then I want to return the string index. For anything else, I want to return -1. So this is basically, let me just make my code look nicer. Okay, so basically this is what this code is just doing, like line 12 is checking to see if the needle is part of the A stack. It's going to return the index and save it within that string. And so I'm using this string to check and see if the string is a true value. which means in JavaScript, a two-free value and two-free number start by 1 to up to whatever number it is, but 0 in JavaScript is a false value. So which means I have to use an R operator, which means if the the left side statement is true, it's going to return the string index. If the right side statement is also true, it's going to just return the string index. For anything else, it's going to just return -1. So let's run the code and see what we get. Okay, 2, 2. This is the answer, expected answer. This is what I got also. So let's submit the code. Okay, the code is being accepted by code. So now let's check and see the runtime of that code. The code is among 56-37% of JavaScript submission. Okay, so I think it is not that bad, but let's submit again and see, because sometimes lead code can lead code runtime is not accurate. So I'm gonna run for a second time just to make sure. Okay, now they gave me 96.43% of JavaScript submission. Just to let you guys know that sometimes lead code runtime happen to do not be 100% accurate. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and see you guys next time for another algorithm solving.